Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds SUUNTO Wing Open-Ear. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now click on your headphones at the device list. Cool. But if it didn't help you, also we should test to try maybe your earbuds is turned off. So put it to the charging case and it automatically turn off your headphones. After that, remove it from the charging case and press and hold for at least 3 seconds this power button on your right ear cup, the earbud. Now we turn on it and we can see it by this LED light, and also we have connected. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, your headphones should be turned on, and after that we should turn off it. So press and hold power button on your right ear cup, and we did it. After that, press and hold it again to turn on your earbuds. And we should have connected again. Cool. Also, we can try to remove and add these earbuds. So press the information icon near to your headphones at the device list, or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after that we should enter to pairing mode. So press and hold this volume up button and volume down button at the same time until the LED light starts flashing. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset or factory reset, it's the same. So just put it to the charging case, and after that press and hold this multifunctional button for at least 5 seconds until this LED light on your earbuds starts flashing 2 times. So press and hold on it. Here we go. Now remove it from the charging case. Firstly, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device, forget device. Don't forget about pair new device on your Android. And after that, press and hold the power button until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. And after that, click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!